Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to all of you. Homemade, small amount, baked spinach recipe. "500 grams of spinach. Can use frozen or fresh spinach. 3 medium-sized potatoes. 1 red or white onion. 1 large-sized tomato. 1 spoon of hot pepper paste. Black pepper, and black pepper grinder. Salt and salt grinder mill. 2 garlic. Liquid sunflower oil. 1 spoon flour. 1 or 1.5 cups of milk. 1 spoon of butter. 1 spoon of sugar. 400 grams of cheddar cheese. Pots and other kitchen utensils to be used in preparing this dish. This is done with the oven container you have seen. This oven container is 9 slices of oven, large enough for spinach. Start by peeling potatoes. Use 3 potatoes, suitable for boiling. Wash potatoes. Prepare potatoes in medium thickness, round shape. Boil sliced potatoes. Add salt. Potatoes will be boiled for an average of 30 minutes. Cut spinach roots. Wash the spinach with plenty of cold water. Remove washed spinach from the water with your hands so that the soils will remain at the bottom. Add spinach into a strainer. Add the spinach into a deep saucepan, and add boiling water. Mix the spinach, it will be enough to remain in boiling water for 1 minute. Remove spinach from boiling water. Finely chop 1 onion. Chopped onion ready. Finely chop 1 peeled tomato. Chopped tomato ready. This dish will be a thirsty meal. Filter the water by pressing the spinach. Chop the boiled spinach. Add the chopped spinach, again into the strainer, it will be dehydrated. Crush 2 pieces of garlic, under the knife and chop. Boil the potatoes until you get this consistency. Remove potatoes without water. Add the boiled potatoes to the bottom of the oven bowl. Place them so that there is no gap. Add liquid sunflower oil to the pot. Add flour and mix. Adjust the amount of liquid oil. Add butter. Add cold milk and mix. Add sugar and salt. If it is too thick, you can add some water. Adjust the flavor, and close the fire after a little boil. Pour the bechamel sauce on the potato. Fully place the sauce. You can help recipes to see and reach more people by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to everyone who supported me on this subject. Add liquid sunflower oil into large pan. Add chopped onion. Cook onion. Add the hot pepper paste after the onions are cooked and mix completely. Add spinach. Add tomatoes and garlic. Add salt and pepper. Cook until dehydrated. Add the spinach into the oven bowl, place an equal amount. prepare and add grated kosher. Ready to bake. Bake until golden brown. After leaving the oven, wait at least 45 minutes, 1 hour before serving. Sliced and serve after cooling for 1 hour. You can make a sauce and bitter sauce on the dish. We have come to the end of a detailed video description prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched videos and supported me. Goodbye, to see you again in a new recipe video.